Okay, for number one, you need to know the difference between categorical and quantitative data. Now remember, if the answer is a word, that is going to be categorical. But if it is a number, it's not always going to be quantitative. And so you have to ask yourself, if you were to put all the numbers into a calculator and you were to get a decimal reading, would that make sense? Okay, so the first one is Social Security number. If I was to put all of your Social Security numbers into the calculator and find the average, would anybody have a .167? No. So therefore, this would be categorical. Okay, your preference of music, rock and roll, country, that's categorical. The number of siblings, 1, 2, and 3. We do say that somebody has 2.3 siblings. I mean, even though we know there's not a .3, that is still okay. It still has meaning. So this is quantitative. Shoe size, quantitative. Your grade point average, quantitative. The weight of your car, quantitative. Circle the graphical display that is appropriate for graphing your favorite color. Okay, so this is, your favorite color is categorical data. And so what kind of graphs go with categorical data? Pie chart does, histogram does not, and coordinate plane does not. So the answer is A. The last number in a relative cumulative column should always be 1. Which graph does not require a legend? Okay, Stemplete has one. Bar chart, remember if it's a frequency bar chart, it might. So the answer is C. The answer is does not require. I'm sorry, the answer is C. Okay, let's go to problem number 5. Which type of graphical display is never in percents? You know, I didn't do many histograms in percents, but it could be in percents. It's stem leaf plot. That is never in percents. Which type of graphical display does one know each unique value? And that is a histogram. Remember, if I had the number 23, we would know that 23 is in a stem leaf plot. We would know that 23 is in a dot plot. But for a histogram, we would never know that. Okay, let's go down to number 7. Lonnie's made 30 phone calls. The times are in minutes. Were recorded. Complete the table below. All right, so I'm going to turn this off, and I'm just going to show you the answers. Okay, so notice what I did is that I did some tallies. You see the vertical lines underneath here? So like when I got 3.1, I put a tally mark here. 12.2, I put a tally mark underneath the 7. All right, so I did that, and then I counted everybody up. Now, how can you check to make sure your answers are correct? There are 30 phone calls, so I took these 4 numbers here, and I made sure they added up to 30.